Okay, gut health is really about more than just digestion. Your gut influences far more than just your stomach. It shapes your mood, your stress response, and your mental clarity. It really, in large part, can determine your overall state of being. Today, we're exploring the connection between inflammation, the microbiome, and emotional regulation, and how your gut signals shape the way you feel in real time. I'm Christopher Gabriel. I'm the founder of Life Science Performance, and this is the next step in understanding the science of the gut brain axis. So let's talk about inflammation as a signaling system. Inflammation is not just a physical response, it's a messaging system. When the gut becomes inflamed from stress, poor sleep, processed foods, or microbial imbalances, it releases inflammatory signals called cytokines. Those signals communicate directly with our brain, and the brain interprets them as fatigue, irritability, low mood, difficulty concentrating, and even a sense of threat. This is why you can feel off, anxious, or reactive, even when nothing is externally really and truly wrong. Your gut is speaking and your brain is listening. And so the microbiome and our emotional stability are intrinsically linked. Your gut microbes produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. But they also influence the biological pathways, the ones responsible for stress tolerance and emotional resilience. A healthy microbiome reduces inflammation, improves vagal tone, and can help stabilize our mood while also increasing cognitive clarity. While on the other hand, an imbalanced microbiome does just the opposite. It can amplify stress and decrease our ability to regulate our emotions. So, in many cases, mood instability is not psychological, it's physiological. And so let's talk about how stress, vagal tone, and gut function all correlate with each other. Your nervous system has a direct line to your gut through the vagus nerve, through those pathways. When you're regulated, breathing calmly, grounded, present, your gut operates optimally. But when you're stressed, motility slows down, inflammation rises, and microbial diversity drops and creates these sensitivities. This is why nervous system regulation must come before dietary interventions. In fact, the two go hand in hand, really. A calm gut begins with a calm brain, and the inverse is also true. And so nutrition plays this really key role in modulating our mood and inflammation. You can use nutrition to reshape the gut environment and reduce inflammation in very measurable ways. There are three primary categories to pay attention to in terms of nutrition. Number one is polyphenol-rich plants. These are blueberries, pomegranate, dark leafy greens, and herbs. They support microbial diversity and can also reduce oxidative stress. The next is fiber and prebiotics like oats, root vegetables, onions, garlic, and resistant starch. These create short chain fatty acids that calm inflammation and improve communication along the gut brain axis. The next is omega-3 fatty acids that you can get from wild fish, walnuts, algae. They help reduce inflammatory signaling and support neurotransmitter balance. Nutrition doesn't just boost our health, it modulates the chemical environment that our brains live in. And so let's integrate all of this into how your gut shapes your state of being. Your gut is not separate from your emotional life. It influences clarity, motivation, resilience, and your stress response. When inflammation is low and microbial diversity is high, the entire system moves towards stability. When your gut is stressed, your mind becomes reactive. When your gut is supported, your mind becomes clear. This is the biology of well-being, a coordinated system designed to operate in harmony. And so to kind of bring it all together, if you want to improve your mood, clarity, and resilience, start with the gut. And start with regulation, nervous system regulation, then nourishment, and then as a byproduct, microbial diversity. In the next video, we'll explore how to build a daily gut routine that supports long-term mental and physical stability. I'm Christopher Gabriel. This is Life Science Performance, and this has been a video about the science of the gut-brain axis. Take care.